everyone, we're going to solve for x. We have 2 times log base 3 of x plus 1 minus log base 3 of x plus 4 equals 2 times log base 3 of 2. All right, we're going to write this as a single logs on both sides. The right-hand side is already single log, but we're going to first use our power property for logarithms. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this 2 and move it here and this 2. So that's going to help us condense our logarithms. This is going to give you log base 3 of x plus 1, and then you put the square there. The second term stays the same. And on the right-hand side of the equation, we're going to get log base 3 of 2 squared. Now that we've done that, we can use our quotient rule, or quotient property for logs, and can write this as a single log. So this is going to be on the left-hand side, log base 3 of x plus 1 squared divided by x plus 4. And on the right-hand side, we're going to get log base 3, and I'm going to go ahead and do this as 4. Since we have a single log on each side of the equation, these already match up. So all we have to do is look at this part right here. So that means we're going to have x plus 1 squared divided by x plus 4 equals 4. Now if you cross multiply, we're going to solve for x here, and if you cross multiply here, you're going to get, for this part, this is x squared plus 2x plus 1, and then you take 4 times each of these terms, and you're going to get 4x plus 16. Now we're going to move everything over to the left-hand side of the equation since it's quadratic in form. This is going to give me x squared minus 2x minus 15 equals 0. Therefore, we're going to have, as you factor, x minus 5 times x plus 3 equals 0. All right, that means we have our x equals 5 or x equals negative 3. Now, with logs, you always have to check your solutions. Usually you can just take a little look here. Remember, our log of some base of x always has to be positive. So that means this quantity here. That means this quantity here has to be positive. Now, if I just take a cursory look here, the 5 is going to work because we'll get 6 and 9. But let's check this negative 3. If I check in negative 3, and let's look at this one, we're going to get this log base 3 of x plus 1. If you substitute in negative 3, you're going to get log base 3 of negative 2, which is undefined, because that's not what works here. So basically, we have to disregard this solution, and our final solution is going to be x equals 5. We're just taking this one right here. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.